Welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, we're gonna cover why intermittent fasting is just waste of time and why it doesn't work. If you don't know me, I'm Oscar Charlotte, health and fitness coach for tech guys, helping them becoming more fit, healthier on their demanding schedule. And if you want to know more about what I do and how could I help you, maybe then go check my main video on YouTube, what is spin. But let's dive into it today. So probably you watch this video, you are a man in your 30s or 40s, you're working desk job, you are either software engineer or developer, you work long hours at your desk, and your weight and health has taken a step back. You probably tried different diets in the past, like intermittent fasting, one meal a day, or maybe you're currently doing them. You don't see real results you hope for. You struggle a lot with your cravings, with low energy levels. You have low handles. Maybe you don't fit in your old favorite clothes. You don't like what you see in front of the mirror. And that's why you now try to choose this diet, intermittent fasting, right? So what is intermittent fasting or one meal a day actually? So in simple terms, you are eating less calories because you have less eating window available, right? You're restricting yourself. That might lead to stress or anxiety because if you eat low calories for longer periods of time, it can increase your stress and anxiety levels. Or if when you go out or try to socialize, have dinners after that eating window, it causes you like stress because you are not eating like in that eating window. So it can cause stress, especially if you start this diet. And maybe you see some changes in your body, but not big changes. You have lost some little weight, but it's not that shape which one you are looking for, having that maybe six pack or looking more shredded. Why? Because you're losing weight, that's correct, but you're also losing muscle mass. Because you don't hit your macro targets, you don't know probably how to track even your calories, and especially you're not hitting your protein goal. Because let's say, yes, here I already wrote down, so you eat 2 or 3 meals a day, that's like 30 grams of protein, that counts around like, let's say, 60 to 90 grams of protein. Or if you eat one big meal a day, maybe you get 100 grams of protein. But let's say if your weight is like 180 or 200 pounds, big guy, you need to hit 180 or 200 grams of protein. So if you eat only two or one meal a day, it's gonna be pretty difficult job, right? So when you don't hit your protein intake and then you're restricting yourself, yes, you're losing weight, but you're also losing your muscle mass. So what's happening then? You're becoming this like skinny fat guy, right? And if you on top of that don't lift weights, you're just maybe do a lot of walking or long cardio sessions, then it's not good. Then it's not good. You're gonna be just skinny with a lot of fat, right? And then here, for example, you can see like Abisai, busy professional, software engineer, 35 years old. So before working with us, you can see he was working long hours, feeling fatigue, overweight, higher body fat, higher stress, anxiety levels, lack of knowledge, didn't know like how to track his calories, how to be in his macros, had lack of knowledge, and you can see like a lot of low handles. He's not like really overweight, but this is what I'm talking about, the skinny fat. Basically feeling stuck because he was going to the gym, trying intermittent fasting and restricting himself with a lot of calories. So what we did, we did like reverse diet, working higher calories, did overload progression weekly in just 90 days. You can see higher energy, focus levels, sleep is better, lower body percentage, is more educated, living happier life. You can see just in 90 days lost 16 pounds and much leaner, because if he would continue to still restrict himself with intermittent fasting, do long cardio sessions, he would be more skinny, but with more body fat. Again, as I said, like when you restrict yourself, not hit your protein goal, you lose weight, but you also lose muscle mass. So it's up to your goal. I'm not sure what's your goal. Do you want to be like skinny fat, or you want to be more in like this beach body shape, right? And if you do the like calorie restrictions or intermittent fasting for long periods of time, let's say 3 or 4 months, you have been plateau, And the only thing how you can like lose the weight then is like either to go lower in calories, which probably is already difficult if you eat just 1 or 2 meals, because your body is smart. It gets used to like calories pretty fast. So if you like eat this type, like let's say 2 meals a day, and you eat those 2 meals like let's say for 12 weeks, and you don't change anything, you're gonna be stuck in your weight. So the only thing, as I said, you need to drop the calories or increase your cardio. So me and my clients, we use only fasting for focus benefits. So myself, I really like to fast, but only for my energy focus levels. Like maybe I fast only for 2-3 hours in the morning, and then have my first meal, which is really high in protein. We are eating like 3 to 4 meals a day, which are all high protein. We know how much we need to eat to progress, to lose weight consistently, and we lift weights also like 2 to 3 times per week, increasing the muscle mass. Here, for example, we can check Tristan. This is our personalized coaching app, what I provide to my clients. For example, for Tristan, let's say this is his meal plan, 3 meals a day. That is specific to his calorie, 2,200 calories. He knows what to eat, and each meal is like super simple to make. High protein, you can see 55 grams. Same for lunch, shredded chicken salad. Each meal is explained with like video, ingredients. So, and all meals are actually also like, you can see 10 minutes preparation, 10 minutes cooking, 20 minutes only to make. How much this? 10-minute meals. So that's my also goal for my clients, to provide like super simple meals. We are calling this fast prep meal system because you are already so busy, and I don't want that you waste a lot of time when you are like cooking your meals. And not only Abisite has transformed their health, there are plenty of other tech guys just like you who have been through the same process, who probably also tried a lot of them intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day, and was feeling stuck in their weight loss journey. So my goal is to provide that personalized calorie count, educate you, know how to track my macros, calories, so you don't waste actually time on intermittent fasting, because you can still eat the foods you enjoy, socialize, eat out, and as long as you know your calorie count, and if when you hop on this intermittent fasting or 1 meal a day and restrict yourself, it's gonna be hard. We can also check in our Slack community channel. Let's check how my clients are doing there. So this is our Slack community channel. All our guys are tech guys who are on the same health and fitness journey. Here, for example, Tristan posted something today about nutrition. We are posting also what meals we should eat, but let's check the Wings channel. For example, Tristan. So Ankit did his calories, 9,000 steps with his watch. Tristan knows how to track now his calories, so he met his nutrition goal, got 8,000 steps with Abisai. We improved his routine exercise, doesn't have any more paid. We also keep each other accountable with like workouts. I'm doing myself 75 hard. And yeah, just in that community environment, having each support and a personalized plan, personalized nutrition that keeps each other accountable. So that was it for why intermittent fasting doesn't work. So if you're still doing intermittent fasting and your goal is to be more muscular, look better in your clothes, liking what you see in front of the mirror, I suggest not doing intermittent fasting. Learn how to track your calories, learn how to hit your protein intake, go to the gym, lift heavy weights, so you're not becoming this skinny fat dude. I think you don't want that. And if you need help in personalized approach, personalized training plan, personalized nutrition, educate you on healthy lifestyle, even on your busy schedule, then book a free health assessment call, which is linked in bio. It's a health assessment just to make sure if we are right fit to each other. I also want to make sure that you feel that we are right fit to each other. And if I feel that we are the right fit to each other, I'm going to make you an offer to work with me one-on-one, where you're also going to be in our community and becoming that healthier and best version of yourself. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I see you in the next video.